The nationality of the much-loved pavlova continues to be a controversial debate between Aussies and New Zealanders, but the one thing I'm pretty sure we can all agree on is that the perfect pav is crisp on the outside with that nice soft marshmallowy centre. And for me, the best and easiest way to cook a pav is in the air fryer. To get started, in a large bowl, beat a couple of room temperature egg whites. Beat them until stiff peaks form. Then beat in caster sugar, gradually, about 1 tablespoon at a time, until all the sugar has been incorporated. Caster sugar is the best sugar to use here as it's very fine, which makes it easily dissolvable. The mixture should now be glossy, smooth and very thick. Use your fingertips to test to see if the mixture is smooth. If it's still grainy, continue to beat it for a little bit longer. And then just test again. Add corn flour. This is what will give the marshmallowy centre. And then a little vanilla. This is simply for flavour. Then beat again until all of it is incorporated. I'm going to cook it in the Philips XXL Airfryer Baking Master tray. I've lined it with baking paper and then lightly dusted it with a little bit of corn flour. When you line the tray, try and do it as neatly as possible and make sure your paper doesn't extend above the side of the tin. If it does, the paper will flap around during cooking and we don't want that. Then spoon that luscious, glossy meringue mixture inside. And then just use the back of a spoon to create decorative swirls. Place the tray into the Philips XXL Smart Airfryer basket. Set the temperature to a nice low 100 degrees Celsius and the time to 45 minutes. Then press the dial in to begin cooking. The Philips patented rapid air technology ensures you're getting a nice consistent cook with no hot spots, which is exactly what you need when you're cooking a pav. Plus that digital technology means you can set the temperature really accurately. Oh, that looks so good, but we can't take it out just yet. It needs to cool down first. So I'm going to close it up and let it cool completely inside the air fryer. Now to adorn it with deliciousness. Start off with whipped cream, followed by fresh fruit. I'm using strawberries, raspberries, pomegranate, and passion fruit. But look, you can use any combination you like. And then finish off with a scattering of mint leaves. And perhaps one day we will know for sure whether an Australian or a New Zealander actually created the pav first. But for now, I'm just grateful that someone did. And look at that. It's crispy on the outside and look at that beautiful soft marshmallowy centre. Dessert perfection. For more recipes, inspiration, hints and tips, download the Philips NutriU app. It's free to download, and with over 500 recipes, you're sure to find just the recipe you need.